Casey Gray here from The Conscious Builder, and on today's video we are giving you a sneak peek into a project that we will be releasing later this year. This is a stone farmhouse that was built in 1860, and the homeowners are sick of living in a cold, damp, drafty home, so they've decided to do a total gut of this home. In January of this year, we had an energy audit done of the home, which revealed that they were using more than double the energy what a typical home that size was using. And it also revealed that they had an ACH, which is air changes per hour, of 11.7, which is more than 10 times what we typically do for the homes that we build. On top of the obvious air leakage issues that the clients had, they also had a rodent issue. And when we got into demo, we realized that there is a serious moisture issue at a couple spots where the roof was meeting the stone wall. Now, one of the things with these old stone homes is that you don't want to affect the character. You want it to look like an old stone home because it's a beautiful home. However, when you're getting into adding insulation and making these buildings more energy efficient, you have to factor in how all of that will affect the integrity of the building. So the main problem that we had to solve was how are we going to make this home more airtight and more insulated without affecting the integrity of this 160-year-old stone building. At this stage, we just completed drywall. We got everything primed. We're starting to do all of the trim work, hang the interior doors. On the final video, we'll be sharing all of the details about this project, including the design, what we did for the air barrier, what we did for the vapor barrier, what we did for insulation, the final aesthetics of the project in terms of interior finishes, and most importantly, how this house actually performs for the final energy audit. So if you want to stay up to date on this project and you want to see it completed, be sure to subscribe, hit the bell button to get notifications on when we release it. And if you want to know how we reduced the ACH, the air changes per hour, by over 60%, you can watch the video here. And remember to live consciously.